Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you are really doing fantastic. Welcome once again my new video, and I'm here for a cornfield. You can see the whole area looking so beautiful, and this area looking green and green. Every green in Bangladesh. Also this area looking so green. So that way I every day practicing English, and when I free time, that time I'm making video, and I practicing my English, and that way I every day started my journey, and that way I practice every day, every single moment. When I free, when I doing a work, that time I understand that this is my right time to speaking English. I I practice himself only only for me. Okay, when I free time, that time I speak and I think, and that all of thing what kind of are I do, and what kind of work or activities are around me, that all of thing I thinking, and then I explain in English only with me, only alone with me, only one. Nobody can help me, nobody can uh, teach me. I only practicing with me. Also you can follow this way, you can practice alone with you, because when you are practicing alone, your speak, your vocabulary, and your fluency, it will be day by day improving. Because when you are start your journey, first of all your English will be not good. When you are practicing every day, day by day, your English will be improved. That way, that's why I'm also beginner, and I'm also understand this is my English is not good, but I practice every day. That is the thing. That is the most important for learner or beginner, and also new participants. Okay, so you have to do this every day. So I'm also beginner, please pray for me, because you are my all of my friend, my brother, and my inspiration. Okay, so do subscribe my YouTube channel, and also you can follow my page. And this is my second video in this year. Last my two page was dismissed and disabled. I don't know why Facebook are doing this. So that's why I stop my making video, and finally I start again for making video. So please keep me in your prayer and support me. Thank you for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.